Have you ever pondered what truly makes you happy? It's a question that stirs the soul, yet the answer is as diverse as the human race itself. Happiness, you see, is a personal matter. It's not a one-size-fits-all garment, but a tailor-made outfit designed to fit perfectly to the contours of your life. Happiness is not a perpetual golden glow, but a patchwork quilt of moments stitched together with threads of joy, contentment and fulfillment. Some patches may be vibrant and bright, others more subdued, but each one is a crucial part of the overall pattern. Unraveling the enigma of happiness involves delving deep into the depths of your own psyche. It requires honest introspection, a clear understanding of your needs, desires, and what truly ignites that spark of joy within you. It's about knowing yourself, not just superficially, but down to the core. Remember, finding happiness is a journey, not a destination. It requires introspection and understanding of one's own needs and desires. Now, how does one embark on this journey towards happiness? Firstly, it begins with self-reflection. Take a moment to introspect. Ask yourself what truly brings you joy. It could be as simple as a cup of hot cocoa on a rainy day, or as complex as solving mathematical equations. Next, set personal goals. These are not your usual New Year's resolutions, but realistic objectives that align with your values and passions. For instance, if you love painting, your goal could be to create a piece of art every week. Practicing gratitude is another step towards happiness. Make a habit of acknowledging the good in your life, however small. You could start a gratitude journal where you jot down 3 things you're grateful for each day. It's a small act that can yield immense joy. Pursuing your passions is crucial. If you've always wanted to learn the guitar, now is the perfect time. Engaging in activities you love can infuse your life with happiness. Fostering relationships is another key step. Spend time with loved ones, cultivate meaningful friendships. Remember, shared joy is double joy. Maintaining a positive mindset and managing stress are equally important. Practicing mindfulness, yoga, or even just taking a walk in nature can help. Remember, these steps are not one-size-fits-all solutions, but guidelines to help you navigate your journey towards happiness. Let's quickly recap our journey. We've explored the enigma of happiness, identifying it as a personal and unique experience. We've outlined actionable steps towards happiness, emphasizing the significance of personalization in this process. We've understood that happiness is not a static state, but a continual process. It's essential to appreciate that the power to shape our happiness lies in our hands. So, embark on your journey towards happiness. And remember, the key to happiness lies within you.